A single hurricane releases more energy in one day than all the world's nuclear weapons combined. Yes, really. These spinning monsters stretch hundreds of miles wide, yet their most destructive force hides in an eerily calm center called the eye. Nature is the most powerful thing that has ever existed. Loved this video? Make one yourself in minutes. Link in the description.